Good morning, my dear students. In the last class, we have seen the reactions of metals with acid, water, and air. Then today we can see about the reactivity series and the displacement reaction. What do you mean by reactivity series? So it is a series of elements which has the topmost level of reactivity to the least reactivity. So such a type of arrangement is called reactivity series. Then what do you mean by displacement reaction? Displacement reaction, from the word itself we can understand what do you mean by displacement. Displace one metal over another metal, that is displacement reaction. You know, high metals with the highly reactive elements or highly reactive elements can displace low reactive elements from their solutions. I have given you one example in the last class. I'll tell you once again, that is zinc rod is dipped in copper sulfate solution. If you are dipping zinc rod in copper sulfate solution, zinc is highly reactive metal, so it can displace copper from copper sulfate solution. So the total reaction become Zn plus CuSO4 gives ZnSO4 plus Cu. So Cu is separated as atoms. Clear? Then what about the oxidation and reduction reaction? In 9th standard you have learned the oxidation and reduction reaction. What do you mean by oxidation? It is the loss of electrons. Oxidation is the loss of electrons and reduction is the gain of electrons. That means Zn gives Zn2 plus 2 electrons. Here Zn is losing 2 electrons and that 2 electrons are attained or accepted by copper and become copper atoms. Clear? So in order to write the oxidation and reduction reaction and redox reaction, what is redox reaction? So at the same time both oxidation and reduction happen, such a type of reaction is known as redox reaction. So this is a redox reaction. So we can say oxidation and reduction, we have to write. So how can we write this oxidation and reduction reaction? So here the zinc rod is dipped in copper sulfate. How can we write this oxidation reaction? Zn gives Zn2 plus 2 electrons. That we can see in the textbook. Then see the reactions, that is zinc rod dipped in copper sulfate solution. You have to fill it up this dash, that's why I am giving this one. So prepare some copper sulfate solution in a beaker and dip zinc rod in it. Observe the changes after some time. So what happened to the zinc rod? Zinc rod, what happens? So copper may deposit over zinc. That is copper become copper atom. So what is the reason for this? The reason for the change in the intensity of the color of the copper sulfate solution. The copper sulfate color is blue color. This copper sulfate solution blue color fades and there arise zinc. So copper is displaced by zinc. So the color decreases. Then the blue color of copper sulfate solution is due to the presence of Cu2 plus ions. When the zinc rod is dipped in copper sulfate solution, the Cu2 plus ions in the solution get deposited at the zinc rod as Cu atoms. So the chemical reaction taking place here is given below. That is Zn plus CuSO4 gives ZnSO4 plus Cu. So this is the total reaction. Answer these questions. Which is the metal that gets displaced here? ഇവിടെ ഡിസ്പ്ലേസ് ചെയ്യുന്നത് Cu ആണ്. Then which is the more reactive, zinc or copper? Zinc is highly reactive. Then on the basis of the position of zinc and copper in the reactivity series, can you explain why Cu had been displaced? So zinc is highly reactive, so we can say that zinc is on the top. After that only copper. So zinc is on the highest reactive element. So isn't it due to the higher reactivity of zinc when compared to the copper? Yes. Can we write this reaction? See this one, Zn. Zn is elemental Zn oxidation reaction. How to write? Last year you have learned. So Zn 0 plus Cu 2 plus and SO4 2 minus. So this is the way to write the oxidation and reduction reaction. Gives Zn 2 plus and SO4 2 minus and plus Cu 0. Cu is atom. So atom become 0. Oxidation state is 0. Then the change that had happened to zinc, Zn0 gives Zn2 plus 2 electrons. It releases 2 electrons. And is this a oxidation or reduction? This is an oxidation reaction because zinc lost 2 electrons. Then the change that happened to copper, Cu2 plus, what had happened? So Cu2 plus accept that 2 electrons and become Cu atom. So what is the name of this reaction? This is called reduction reaction. So this is reduction reaction. So zinc is oxidized and copper is reduced. That is oxidation and reduction takes place simultaneously and it is a redox process. So oxidation and reduction at the same time. So it's a redox process. This much about this reaction.